the base for any framework relies on the three aspects, that is energy review, creation of energy performance indicators, and the creation of energy baseline.
This is giving you a full bird's eye view of your energy consumption. And this is ISO 50001 2018. Cannot be overstressed how important the commitment of the top management is in the implementation of this, because that's when you kind of create a team, a champion, for example, who would be looking after this energy review.
So these people should sit down and look at the ENPIs at regular intervals and make sure that if there is any deviation from it, how they can address it, what is the root cause.
So, depending on the metering situation that you have at place, significant energy user is decided asset wise. So, you would lay down all the energy users that you have, and basically, as the word suggests, which one has the most significant energy consumption. So, need not even if it's very small, we must be able to measure the performance improvement. And that brings us to the next step of MNV, or measurement verification. You can see the there's a baseline, and then there's total energy savings, and then we are able to see how much have we improved. And according to the standard, we should be able to see that.
An ideal tool for this would be something that gives you real time saving instead of waiting for, say, the end of the month and looking at the bills and then calculating.
Oh yes, the
how
manual.
much. Yeah, and something that will give you the real time energy baselining as well. So suppose, say, your current energy usage is dependent on the external temperatures, the production that you are doing.
Yes.
And your production is, say,
Exactly.
seasonal. So you don't want to be waiting for the whole year next year for the same season to happen, and
To have a comparison
Yes,
between
yeah.
how we are doing. In addition to that, it definitely brings in trust and faith in the quality of the product and the service as well, that
Yes.
you're following an internationally recognized standard.